Lieutenant Mark Reynolds and Commander Lisa Hayes never expected their routine Navy training mission to turn into a nightmare, till the radar lit up with objects no one could explain, moving faster and more mysteriously than anything they'd ever seen. What started as a strange sighting soon spiraled into a chilling mystery that would shake the very foundation of the Navy and leave the world questioning what really controls the skies above us. In 2019, strange lights appeared off the coast near a U.S. Navy base, catching the attention of pilots during routine training missions. These weren't ordinary aircraft or weather balloons. Radar showed objects moving at impossible speeds, making sharp turns with no visible engines. The Navy was tight-lipped, but whispers of unexplained drones and UFOs began to spread, sparking a wave of speculation. What made this case chilling wasn't just the unknown technology, but the eerie silence from the highest ranks. Officially, the Navy dismissed the sightings as sensor glitches or atmospheric anomalies. Yet secretly, special investigations were launched, and a team of top officers was ordered to find answers. As the months passed, the strange objects appeared more frequently, sometimes near sensitive military installations, raising alarms about national security. One pilot, after a close encounter, reported systems on his jet malfunctioning as the object approached, suggesting the technology had electromagnetic capabilities far beyond anything publicly known. Then came the twist. Leaked documents surfaced, revealing that some of the drones were believed to be experimental weapons, possibly developed by rival nations or even covert groups within the government itself. This raised more questions than answers. Were these truly alien crafts, or was the Navy dealing with a shadow war using advanced technology? Meanwhile, attempts to capture or destroy these drones failed mysteriously, as if the objects could predict and evade every move. Behind closed doors, officials debated whether to reveal the truth or maintain secrecy, fearing public panic or compromising national defense. Years later, the mystery remains unsolved. Some insiders hint that these encounters changed Navy protocols forever, forcing a new era of surveillance and defense. Others believe the truth is buried deep within classified files, waiting for the day it will finally come to light. The question lingers: are we witnessing the dawn of a new form of warfare, or something far more unknown, hovering just beyond our reach? The skies hold their secrets, and the Navy keeps its silence, but the world watches. It's waiting for the unexplained to become understood.